my channel. Today's video is a weekly reset. So we've got a grocery haul, a meal plan. I'm gonna be sharing a really cozy little recipe. I've gotta get the sheets off everybody's bed and wash them. I've got lots of laundry to do. We've got Christmas decor up in the front yard still, so we need to take care of that. I went ahead and placed a Walmart delivery order because it is a snow day in Arkansas, and if you're from the South, you know what that means. You just don't go to Walmart. It's not a good idea. So I got my groceries delivered, which is so helpful. So we're gonna go ahead and put all of those away. And so just lots going on in today's video. If you need motivation, you are in the right spot. Grab your coffee, grab your to-do list, and let's get something done together. Okay, groceries are here. I'm gonna go ahead and unload all of these and then I'll do a little grocery haul. Before I do the grocery haul, I wanted to share our little meal plan with you. So for this week, we're doing chili and cornbread. We're gonna do the Dolly Parton Stampede soup with some baked chicken legs. I love that meal. It's such a comfort meal. Spaghetti and meatballs. I'm gonna try a new homemade spaghetti sauce recipe. Bean casserole, that's a staple in our house. We have it like once a week. And then breakfast for dinner one night. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on our little weekly menu board here. And then I'll share with you our groceries. I just feel like our groceries will make a lot more sense after you know what we're having for dinner. So let me write this up here. By the way, this is the cutest little menu board ever. We love it. It keeps us on track, and it's just from Amazon. I will have it linked down below. But let's go ahead and write our menu on here, and then I'll share our grocery haul. Okay, I came back in Annie Kate's room real quick to share with y'all these little classy tops. I've shared these with y'all before. Absolutely obsessed. You don't have to wear a bra. So on this shirt, I am just wearing a shirt. There's no like bra underneath. It literally has everything built into it. So it's perfectly supported, so flattering, so comfy, and it's all one piece. So you just slip it on. So like, especially when you're wearing a romper like this or layers already, you don't have to like do a bra, do a shirt, do a romper. It is all built into one, and it's so comfy. So I'm loving the classy tops. All of their shirts are so cute. They have so many different styles. They have the little spaghetti straps. They have tank tops. They even have off the shoulder tops for like date night. So many different tops to choose from in all the best colors. I love their chocolate brown color. This is the little brown off the shoulder top I love, but it's also really cute as a little square neck. There are no visible straps, no underwire, and no back rolls, which is a huge plus. This one is one of the styles that I've been living in. This is the one I had on earlier, but it's in brown. Love this style. It's so soft, so comfortable, very flattering, but also nothing going on underneath. This is one of the little tank top styles I love. So cute. Like I said, no back rolls. So flattering on, and I love that there's no straps hanging out. One of the great things about Classy is it's not just support, it's advanced built-in support. You cannot beat it, and they have size inclusive padding. Click the link in my description box below, or you can scan the QR code here on the screen for 20% off your first Classy order with Classy288 at checkout. Don't forget to tell them I sent you, and thank you so much to Classy for sponsoring today's video. Okay, for our grocery haul this week, first things first, we've got our Coke Zero. We can never run out of that. I feel like that right there is what makes a house a home. Some cold Coke Zeros in the fridge. So we've got that. Now on to the other stuff. We've got frosted mini wheats. That's another staple we never run out of. Some Scoops Fritos because we're going to do chili one night. We've got some cut green beans for a veggie for dinners. Petite diced tomatoes. We're going to be doing chili one night, and then also some homemade spaghetti sauce. So that's what all the tomato, you're going to see several cans of tomatoes. That's what all of that is for. I picked up a couple of these sweet potato baby foods because sometimes for dinner we don't have something that we can mash up for Annie Kate. So I just want something easy I can pop open for her. But typically I'll just mash up whatever we're eating and give it to her. I've got some all-purpose flour. We're going to be doing some baking. We've got some zucchini. I thought I could do some either sauteed or fried zucchini on spaghetti night. Some bacon for breakfast night. 2 jugs of milk because it snowed in Arkansas, so if you know, you know. We've got an onion, some oranges, some green apples, some Honeycrisp apples, some bananas, all of the fruits and veggies right there. Picked up some more cornstarch because we ran out of that. We've been using that like crazy. Oliver and I made some homemade slime, but I've also been using it for like cashew chicken and stuff, so we got some more of that. Got a green pepper, some vegetable oil for frying. We've got some crushed Hunt's tomatoes, that's for our spaghetti sauce, along with these diced tomatoes. I'm excited to make that spaghetti sauce. I got some romaine for salads this week. Will and I both like these romaine hearts for our salads. I've got some tomato soup because we're going to be making bean casserole this week. If you've been around for any amount of time, you know we love bean casserole. So we've got our pork and beans, our tomato soup for that. Now these tomatoes are either for chili or the spaghetti sauce. I can't remember which one. And we've got some sweet peas for a veggie for dinner this week. Lots of cans going on here. That's for the chili. Okay, now these mixed vegetables, I usually like to get the big thing of veg all, but my shopper said that they were all out. So she picked these up. Hopefully those are just as good. But we're going to be making the Dolly Parton Stampede soup to go with our baked chicken legs. This is like the best hack if you are needing a cheap and easy dinner. All of these chicken legs come in a pack for like $5. So you bake those with some butter and kicking chicken, and then serve them with the Dolly Parton Stampede soup, which is super easy to throw together. And it's the yummiest dinner ever, and it's such a comfort dinner. I love it so much. So we're gonna be doing that on one of these little icy days. We've got some double stuffed Oreos. Will and Oliver can tear one of those packages up in a day. We've got some chili seasoning, chicken broth. I'm gonna be making lots of soups this week. I was thinking potato soup for lunch one day, so I may do that. A giant thing of Dawn dish soap because I'm tired of running out of that. We've got some bow tie noodles for spaghetti night. I picked up some of these little chicken taquitos, and somewhere in here, I think I missed it. Did I miss it over here? Yeah. I've got some Poncho's cheese dip to go with our little chicken Crispitos. We've got some frozen corn. By the way, I don't know if this is just my opinion or if everyone thinks this, but I feel like frozen corn with some butter and salt and pepper is so much tastier than canned corn. So, I love that. We got some sour cream and onion chips to go with our turkey sandwiches this week. Heavy cream for soups and pancakes and all the things. Got some Cole's mozzarella filled breadsticks for spaghetti night. Picked up some more paper towels. What else do we have? Cosmic brownies that are already broke into. These are like my weakness. Also, 2 loaves of bread because it's an Arkansas snow day. 2 pounds of beef. 2 things of eggs because they were all out of the big packages. By the way, the price of eggs right now is absolutely ridiculous. I guess because of the bird flu, but it's crazy. I think these 2 together were like $12, which is insane. There's all of our fruits that I already shared. I got a big thing of these little applesauce pouches. Y'all know Oliver loves those. A huge thing of shredded cheese for all of our soups and recipes this week. Some cornbread to go with our chili. I love to put like 3 tablespoons of sugar mixed in with that little mix, and it's so good. It makes the best cornbread. Over here we've got our Sargento Colby Jack cheese for our sandwiches this week. And this is the best kept secret right here. The Cajun turkey from Walmart out of the deli is so, so good. So that's what we use on our sandwiches. We've got some King's Hawaiian rolls for dinners and for lunches, for whatever. Some more Folgers K-Cups. That seems to be the brand we've been going with lately. Some shell noodles for our bean casserole. And I think we're back at the beginning. So that's pretty much all we picked up for this week. We've got our meal plan. I need to put all these groceries away. That already feels so good, but let's go see what else we can get done. Okay, the groceries are restocked. Okay, clean sheets for everyone, and the best part about everybody sleeping in one room is I literally just pop the sheets off of all the beds and change them. Oliver's still in here in his like crib. We changed it into a toddler bed. Annie Kate is over here. She actually just stood up. She pulled the stand in her bassinet, and she's only 5 months old, so that's a little early, I think. So she is not gonna be in here much longer. She mostly sleeps with us anyways, but I'm gonna change her sheets, our sheets, and all of our sheets, and we'll be reset for the week.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you. My heart keeps on bleeding, I have scars, the ones not healing. They're all there because of you. It's my fault, I messed it up, and I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, thinking of you. I'm thinking.
Okay, believe it or not, it is time for dinner, so we're gonna make some spaghetti tonight. It's snowing outside, which is so cozy, so we're gonna make some homemade spaghetti, meatballs. Okay, starting out, I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil and then a heaping spoonful of minced garlic. Okay, now I'm gonna add the crushed tomatoes and now the diced tomatoes. Now we're gonna do 1½ teaspoons of salt, a ½ teaspoon of dried oregano, a ½ teaspoon of dried basil, that's my favorite, an 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. She might be hungry. No. Okay, I cooked the meatballs at 350 for about 20 minutes, and then I went ahead and added them into our sauce. Okay, this spaghetti sauce is so good, 10 out of 10. I will say Will's grandma is Italian and her spaghetti sauce cannot be beat, but it is very flavorful, very good. And we did bow tie noodles, peas, and garlic bread, so excited to eat.